This is Georgia, Form ST-5, a sales tax certificate of exemption. A Georgia business gives it to a supplier to buy goods without paying sales tax, most often inventory it plans to resell. Let's fill out a resale example. Start with the supplier you're giving the certificate to, with their name and address. Then, check the reason for the exemption. Here, the purchase is for resale, so we check that box. Now your business. Your company name, your Georgia sales tax number, your type of business, and your address. Print your name and title, sign, and add your phone and email. Give this certificate to your supplier and they keep it on file. You don't send it to the state. Use it only for genuine exempt purchases. Misusing a resale certificate is against the law. Fill yours out free at FormsPal. This is general information, not tax advice.